Let's do some fishing. God damn, super shallow here, dude. Probably like 1 feet of water, 2 feet. But man, it looks really good though. Looks really good. Really good, dude. Bunch of bluegills. Look at that. Big old bluegill. Ooh, look at that. Big old bluegill, dude. Hopefully we see some big bass, man. Looks really good, man. Okay, this spot here is good, man. You're gonna try this spot here, dude. Bunch of baitfish. Bunch of bluegills too. Man, I need to stop talking and let's do some fishing, man. Froggy time. Oh my god. Nice bass, dude. Nice bass. You guys see it right there? You guys see it right there? That's a nice bass right there. Come on, eat it, eat it. Come on, you gotta eat it. That's a nice bass. Oh yeah. Senko. God damn. Small one, dude. Oh, no skunk. To lực. Đây hả? Dạ. Này. Ôi dồi, bầu. Em này ha. God damn, man. One of the toughest day ever, man. So hard. Today is a tough day, man. Struggling so hard today, man. I mean, it looks really good. Found some spot that looks really good, man. But nothing, man. So quiet today. Come on, man. We need some fish in the boat.
I know, man.
Yeah, in tổ. Oh, oh yeah, that's a good one, dude. Good one. Yeah. That's a big one. Oh, oh, oh shit, that's a good one, let's go. It's a good one, let's go. Oh, no. Oh, oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. Dude, look at that. Senko, yeah. Oh my god, dude. Damn. Whew. That's a big one right here, dude. Damn. Look at that. Senko right there. That's like a almost Almost 4-pounder, dude. Bait. It's like a 3.5 pounder. Yep. Damn, I knew it. Damn, barely cast out there too. Damn, barely came off. Ooh, let's go. Dang, look at that. Beautiful fish right here, dude. Gonna wait this big one right here, dude. Oh my god, dude. 3-4. Yep, 3-4 right here. 3-4 right here, dude. Ooh, it's about to jump. 3-4, man. 3-4 right here, dude. Big in right here, dude. Clean fish, dude. Clean fish. Look at that. Clean fish, man. Clean fish right here, dude. 19.5, man. 19.5. It's a big one. There you go back, man. 3 pound 4 ounce right here, dude. That's a nice one. There you go back, dude. Beautiful fish. There she go back, man. Oh. Man, that was awesome, dude. Hopefully we get another one. Let's go. Oh yeah, there you go. That's a good one too. That's a good one. Oh, came off, no. Yeah, solid one, dude. Damn. Oh, that's my fault. Damn. We're at the spot where I saw a bunch of bass when we got here, dude. And when we got here earlier, dude, there were like a bunch of bass, dude. Some good ones too. They want something slow, man. There you go. Oh my god. Damn, missed another one, dude. Damn, missed another one. I feel small though, but man, it's a fish. Come on, come back again, come back. Oh, there you go. I got a bite. There you go. Oh my god, came off. Damn. Oh my god, dude, that was good too. Felt pretty big too, man. Last cast here, man. Come on, man, give me a fish. Alright, y'all, that's it for today, man. Really tough day, but I can't complain, man. It's a good bite too. Saw a bunch of bass today, dude, but they won't commit at all, man. I don't know why. I try everything, but hey guys, that's it for today, man. Thank you guys for watching. You know, make sure to stay tuned for the next video. Take care, guys. See you guys next time. Peace out, y'all.